So today we are going to learn how to filter data in Python. So this is our data set which has name, department and salary, and let's say our interview asks us to find out or filter the employees' salaries which are equal to or greater than 50,000. So this is how we are going to filter. First we will enter the variable name, and then within square bracket we will enter the column name, which is salary in our case. We'll paste it, and then we'll put our condition, which is greater than equal to 50,000. This is our condition. Now we will put this condition inside our variable in a square bracket like this, and then shift plus enter. So there you go. So we have the output as a Batman and Venom are earning more than 50,000.